You are welcome to the online lectures with Fermentality the School Board. Today we'll take a look at mathematics. The topic is indices, logarithms, and surds. As usual, we'll take our questions from JAM past question papers, specifically from JAM 1999 JAM question 5, 1999 JAM question 5, as stated in Prep 50 Mathematics, UTME past questions. Page 20, question number 5. Page 20, question number 5. All right, so let's have a question on the board. Okay. Okay, let's look at the question. The question says, if a raised to the power 2, b raised to the power minus 3, and c, all raised to the power 3 over 4, divided by a raised to the power minus 1, b raised to the power 4, c raised to the power 5 is equal to a raised to the power p, b raised to the power q, c raised to the power r. What is the value of p plus 2q? Option A, 5 over 2. B, minus 5 over 4. C, 15 over 4. D, minus 10. As I stated before, 1999 JAM Mathematics question 5. So you solve this question applying laws of indices. If you meet this type of question in any exam, please be careful. Take it slowly. Don't just rush and start solving, because any mistake you make, any error, even in sign, will render the whole thing useless. So take it slowly. Take it slowly. I'm trying to confirm the questions again to be sure that it's correct before I start solving. Okay, it's correct. All right, let's start. Solution. Now, the first thing to do is to open up these brackets. This C is set as saying C raised to power 1. So that means we use this outside, this power outside, to multiply all the powers inside. Is a law of indices. To open up this bracket, use the power outside to multiply this 3 over 5 outside to multiply the powers. Is a law of indices. Now let's go. So to do that now we know that everything here should be equal to this. So we keep this one aside and resolve this. After resolving this, we equate it to this straight. So here we have, let's resolve this one first. A raised to power 2, B raised to power, is this minus 3? B raised to power, yeah, it's minus 3. Let me write it well. B raised to power minus 3. Then C. All over A raised to power minus 1, B raised to power 4, C raised to power 5. This is certain as saying, let's open up this bracket. We have this certain as saying A 2 times 3 over 4, B raised to power minus 3 times 3 over 4, C raised to power, this C here is C raised to power 1. So 1 times 3 over 4. Everything will be over what? A raised to power minus 1, B raised to power 4, C raised to power 1, 5. It's also equal to, we multiply out. If you use these two to multiply this, this 2 divide this 4, we are left with 2. So this becomes A raised to power 3 over 2, B raised to power minus 3 times 3 is 9. So minus 9 over 4. Then see this one multiply 3 over 4 is 3 over 4. Everything will now be over what? A raised to power minus 1, B raised to power 4, C raised to power what? 5. We have opened up the bracket, so the numerator is settled. But we have the same A, B, C, D in the denominator. Remember the law of indices. This A raised to power 3 minus 3 over 2 divided by A raised to power minus 1 is certain as saying A, they have the same base. So A raised to power 3 minus 2 minus 1 is a law of indices. So let's do it that way. It's certain as saying A raised to power 3 over 2 minus 1. Then B, here is minus 9 over 4. Raised to power minus 9 over 4 minus what? 4. Let me clean up some part of this so I can write everything. And let me clean out some part of it. Okay, now let me write it here. Let me write it here. A raised to power 3 over 2 minus 1. B raised to power what? Minus 9 over 4 minus 4. Then C raised to power 3 over 4 minus 5. 3 over 4 minus 5. So I can now clean here. Okay. We have removed everything, numerator and denominator. Everything is now in straight line, just like here. So let us solve this fraction in the powers and get our answer. So this 3 over 2 minus 1 is certain as say minus is plus. So this becomes plus. So let's solve it separately here. So fraction 3 over 2 plus 1 is equal to what? 2. 2 divide 2. Remember that's 1 here. 2 divide 2 is what? 1. 1 times 3 is what? 3. Plus 1 divide 2 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So we have 5 over what? 2. So here is what? A raised to power what? 5 over 2. Then let's work on b. b is minus 9. The power is minus 9 over 4 minus 4. So let's go. 4, LCM 4. 4 divided 4 is 1. 1 times minus 9 is minus 9. Remember, this is also over 1. 1 divided 4 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Remember, there's minus here, minus 16. Minus 9 minus 16 is minus 25. Minus 25 over what? 4. Therefore, the power of b is b is the power of minus 25 over 4. Let's resolve the power of c. C is the power is 3 over 4 minus 5. So let's remember, this is also 5, set as 5 over 1. So 4 should be here. Let's see m. 4 divided 4 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 divided 4 is 4. 4 times minus 5 is minus 20. So here is what? Minus 17. Minus 3 minus 20 is minus 17. So we have minus 17 over 4. So the power of C is minus 17 over 4. We have put this whole thing, we have simplified this whole thing to be in this form. It's now the same form with this a raised to power p, b raised to power q, and c raised to power r. Alright, so let us now equate the two of them. So let's equate them. It becomes a raised to power 5 over 2, b raised to power minus 25 over 4, c raised to power minus 17 over 4 is equal to a raised to power what? P, b raised to power what? Q, and c raised to power what? R. So law of indices, when they have the same base, their power should be equated. So that means a raised to power 5 over 2 is certain as saying a raised to power what? P. So because they have the same base, a will cancel a. That implies that p is equal to 5 over 2. The same thing with b. b raised to power to the 5 over 4 equated to b raised to power what? Q. The same base, b will cancel b. That implies that q is now equal to what? Minus 25 over 4. The same thing with c. c raised to power minus 17 over 4 is equal to c raised to power r. Then the same base, so it's cancel c. That means r is equal to what? Minus 17 over 4. So p is equal to 5 over 2. Q is equal to minus 25 over 4. R is equal to minus 17 over 4. But the question says that we should find P plus 2Q. So let's substitute P and Q. Let's substitute 5 for P and minus 25 over 4 for Q. So let's go. So the P plus 2Q is now equal to what? P is what? 5 over 2 plus 2. Q is what? Minus 25 over 4. To solve this, these 2 we cancel these 2. 4 we divide 4, we have 2 remaining. So it's what? 5 over 2. Remember, there's to open this bracket entirely. This is plus 1 remain here. Minus 25 is here. Plus times minus is minus. So plus 1 times minus 25 is minus 25 over 2. Minus 25 over 2. For want of space, let's move over to that side. For want of space, let's conclude this thing here. So we have 5 over 2 minus 25 over 2. 2 is in the denominator, so we simply bring out one of the 2's as SCM's 2. 2 divided 2 is what? 1. 1 times 5 is what? 5. 2 divided 2 is what? 1. 1 times minus 25 is what? Minus 25. 5 minus 25 is minus 20. So we have minus 20 over 2. The minus 20 divided by 2 is minus 10. Minus 10. So the answer is minus 10. So the answer to this question P plus 2Q is minus 10. Remember we started from here, solved here to this level, and moved over to here because of space. So the answer is minus 10. Let's look at the options. Option A says 5 over 2 is not the answer. B says minus 5 over 4 is not the answer. C says minus 15 over 4 is not the answer. D says minus 10. D is the answer. So the answer to 1999 JAM Mathematics question 5 is minus 10. The answer is minus 10. So if you have any question, as usual, I'll give 2 minutes. Take a look at the work, the solvents. If you have any question, please feel free to ask your question. I'll give 2 minutes for that. In asking the question, just simply drop the question on the what? Live chats. Drop the question on the live chats. Look at the solvings. If there's any question, please feel free. Feel free to ask. We have come to the end of today's mathematics lecture. Please drop your questions. Please drop your question here. I'll attend to it. Ask your question. We have 1 minute more. Ask your question. We have 1 minute to go. At exactly 4:50, we'll end this class. After this class, if you have any question, please chat me up on WhatsApp via this line 0. So the number is 0. I've dropped the number on the live chat. The number is 080 081 3868 2003. 081 3868 2003. Please, before we end this class, I would try to make 1 or 2 announcements. The first announcement is that every Saturday, 7 a.m. to 7:10 a.m., I organize academic competition. I titled Academic Battle with Familiarity the Schoolboy. Registration for this battle is completely free of charge. You're not paying any dime to register for it. And there are prizes to be won. If you are interested in participating in this competition, please chat me up on WhatsApp on this line for further information. And if you are also interested in sponsoring this competition, financially or otherwise, please chat me up also for other information about the competition. And every day, every morning, 3 a.m., I am live here solving questions in pharmaceutical calculations. 3:30 a.m., I'll be live again solving questions in chemistry. 4 a.m., I'm also live solving questions in physics. And 4:30 a.m., I'm also live solving questions in mathematics. So feel free, you can send me your questions through the WhatsApp line here. I'll solve it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. The channel name is From Eternity, the Schoolboy. Click the red button as you watch this video. Click the red button there and subscribe. And also click on the bell by the side for notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I go live. God bless you as you do so. Please share these videos, share these lectures with your friends, with your colleagues, with your children, with your students. Someone out there may be in need of this lecture. God bless you as you do so. See you next time and have a lovely and grace-filled day. See you tomorrow morning, same time, same venue on YouTube. Bye for now.